Hey guys, social media manager over at Mytrix here, and today we're doing a comparison video between the V1 and V2 Blue Bamboo controllers. A fan favorite, the Blue Bamboo was a great controller that not only worked for the Nintendo Switch, but even for PC. With the sync button in the back, it was very easy to pair this controller, but there were problems when trying to switch between Nintendo Switch and PC. The new V2 model comes with some really cool updates, one of them being Hall effect triggers. With two switches below the ZL and ZR buttons, you can choose between having a one-click button or the full function of the spring. What a satisfying feeling. It also comes equipped with the reprogrammable buttons like in our Zero Kirin and Toro controllers. Another nice addition is a switch in the back of the controller that allows you to freely switch between Windows, Android, iOS, and Nintendo Switch. Our RGB light profiles are really awesome and intuitive. You can switch between having haptic lighting. You can have zero lighting by just holding down the minus button and pressing down on the D-pad. And you can turn it right back on by doing the exact same thing but pressing up. And there's even a lighting profile which cycles between every single color individually. The original Blue Bamboo controller has adjustable vibration, 6-axis gyro sensor motion control, a 3.5mm headphone audio jack, and it's still very great to play your games handheld. While the Blue Bamboo controller is still a great pick and just under $35, I still believe that the new version is worth picking up. One of the things that I've left out so I can keep for the end of the video is the fact that the new Bamboo controller, this V2 model, comes packed with Hall effect joysticks. Now, what does that mean? It means that this control stick will never get drift. You will never worry about misinputting because of the gate not hitting the correct placement. This control stick makes it so that this controller will last you forever. So if you're looking for a forever controller, definitely check out Mytrix. You won't be disappointed.